Nipple?
Is it a nipple?
Nipple?
It looks like a nipple.
As you all know, I love my drinks. Drink responsibly. But what's more important is the company you're with. So today, I've invited my friend Seth to join me. Hey! So just in case for the audiences of Meatmen, you don't know who he is, who are you?
I am Seth Louis, so I'm a food blogger. We've collaborated with John and Meatmen before, and then this is my turn to come and try your cooking. Stress.
Stress. Later give me bad review. Okay.
What?
This is what I have prepared for you.
Wow, how much did you spend?
For us.
How much did you spend all this? It's all Shao Xing Wine.
All Shaoxing Wine, different kinds. From $3 to $70.
$70. These fancy ones.
Yeah. So a little fun fact. Shaoxing Wine is made in Zhejiang province, China. And it's one of the oldest forms of rice wine. It was actually made for drinking. Then after that, they realized it can be used for deglazing, for the stir frying, and it gives food a really nice flavor to it. The typical supermarket Shaoxing wine is so much cheaper because there's salt added to it and also diluted.
And then these are for like the proper drinking one, right?
Yeah, so I'm actually very excited to try this as well because it's my first time trying it also.
I actually wanted to ask Shao Xing Wine and Hua Diao Jiu, what's the difference?
Hua Diao Jiu is basically a higher grade of Shaoxing wine. Usually it's more aged. And Hua Diao means the Hua Diao on the aging pot itself. Shall we move on to taste the Shaoxing wines first? I'm actually very excited.
陈年花
雕酒.
Okay, this one is the cheapest one, $2 only. Is it?
Yeah, we start with the cheapest one.
Of course. Oh, thank you, sir. This thing is very salty.
So it has like 2% salt added to it. Can't really taste that like aged flavor. You got that rice wine flavor at the back. But overall, it just tastes really
It's quite
cheap.
light. Yeah.
Pagoda.
Gauges.
Ooh,
okay, it smells
a bit more
smells
xiang.
better already.
Yeah,
it smells more xiang already.
Floral.
Okay.
Ooh,
Not as salty.
a bit sweet.
Yeah, it's a bit sweeter. Yeah, it's starting to get a bit more fragrance.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a
Very
big difference.
Clear. Yeah, it's already a very big difference.
That's a big difference. Plum blossom. This one more floral, more xiang.
But this one tastes more drinkable.
Yeah, tastes more drinkable.
It's almost like can drink on it like smoother in a way. But this one got more 味道, the pagoda one.
Yeah. So maybe for cooking, this one might be
Better.
better.
Yeah. 古越龙山. Wow.
Pretty, yeah?
Atas. Its cereal tastes very similar to the blossom.
Yes.
Plum blossom one.
I don't feel the 10 years. I'm not feeling
More
the
like,
10 years.
Like 10 days, man. If you put it blind taste test, right, I would struggle to really differentiate both, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, slightly
That's quite disappointing.
Slightly disappointing. So this is the same
brand.
yes, but this is the
Aged for 10 years, drinking grade.
drinking grade. Very fancy wrapping.
Sweeter, definitely sweeter. But overall, it just tastes a bit light.
Disappointed!
Which one do you think we should cook with today?
From a cooking standpoint, I feel the pagoda one would be more flavorful, probably,
Yep.
after you cook.
A bit heavier, higher in ABV
yeah.
also. But I agree. Let's use the pagoda one
Okay.
to cook. So Seth, before we start cooking, remember the last time we met, we had a lot of drinks from the drinking games.
Yes, I remember, but do you remember?
So the game is called Taboo Drinking Game.
So is it the one that you cannot say certain words one?
Yes. So John has a specific word and Seth has another word. We'll let you know how many shots you need to take.
Okay. And shots of what?
Of Shaoxing
Shaoxing
Wine.
wine.
Oh, Shaoxing
Today
wine.
all we're gonna drink is Shaoxing wine.
Right.
And water. Drink
And
responsibly.
water. Okay, but can I ask what
Yes.
is? Is this not a nipple? Nipple?
Nipple?
Is it a nipple?
Nipple?
It looks like a nipple.
It looks like a nipple.
Is it a
You
nipple?
want to? You want to?
It feels. It feels like a nipple. It's
Should we cut it off? Basically, they like to torch the skin.
Uh-uh.
One thing is to remove like the chou.
Okay.
That's why I put wine over it also. Second is to remove the hair. One of the main reasons why we are doing this is also to firm up the pork, so later it's easier for us to cut it into cubes.
I hate cutting raw pork. It's so hard to cut.
Drink.
Yeah.
Seth drink.
Who drink?
Seth drink.
Me?
What? Raw pork
was
lah.
it?
Should be raw pork
Is
lah.
it? No, leh.
Pork.
You
Should
never
be pork.
kena.
I feel like yours is pork. I don't know, you try.
I say Chinese.
you
got
drink
count or
first,
not?
then you try. Now I'm curious what the word is.
You still haven't kena.
Cook. Like soy sauce.
Hey, can't you trying to guess it right? I need
John
to.
drink.
Huh?
Gonna.
Huh?
Huh?
Really?
Oh,
Oh!
Oh, what?
Oh!
is it soy sauce? Hey, then now you know the word. It's not funny.
Soy sauce.
John showing me his meat.
You very naughty today, ah.
You naughty, you teasing me.
So freaking hard to cut. I hate pork. That's why.
Seth drink.
Huh?
Oh, so it's pork.
It's a square, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. See, home cook is like that. Some big, some small.
Nothing else to do other than look at me cut pork.
The next step, then we start already. We start.
In
the
a row.
pork
Hey, but
already.
I owe one drink.
Yeah, you
How
owe
about
one
you?
drink.
You have to.
Am I out?
Huh?
You want- I feel.
Just gonna like.
I got two now. What?
Eh?
Huh? I didn't even say the keyword.
I think you got say. You keep saying after that
I
also.
got say pork. I never say pork. What is it? Then it's not
Oh,
pork.
it's not. Ah.
What the?
It's not cooked.
Oh! I feel you lah. You know your hand.
You feel me.
君の虜になってしまえば
Okay, while we're waiting, I will clear my debt. Alright, we got all the pork in.
You see the caramel nicely coated with the pork. So the reason why there is no aromatics inside
Yeah.
this braised pork is
Ah.
we want the flavor to be clean. What we want to taste is the pork
Shaoxing wine.
flavor, Shaoxing wine and soy.
Duck, wine, sauce, boil, pork, belly, I think, cut.
Cook, stir fry.
Wait.
Drink.
Eh?
Eh?
Huh?
Which one?
Cut. Cook. Stir fry. It should be about cut.
No, I don't need stir fry. Stir fry was like
Yeah,
too fast,
behind,
right? No, so it's somewhere behind there.
Just drink responsibly. Can't have braised pork without 卤蛋. So we're gonna leave this to cook for about 30 minutes.
Drink.
Yeah. I know what's the word. I know what's the word already. I know what's my word.
So yours is minutes.
No, mine is cook.
Cook?
Cook.
So you said it quite a few times, no?
Yeah. But she delay.
So you are thrown off. Sneaky, sir.
Try cut.
Okay. We still rolling, right? Chop, cut, stir, fry.
Huh?
Seth needs to drink.
Yeah.
we got it.
It's cut.
Is it cut? It's either cut or chop, right?
Confirm
Cut,
cut.
chop.
Yeah.
Somehow we didn't.
Yeah.
cut,
Didn't link it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we finally figured out. So
Okay.
my word is.
Cut. Mine is.
And yours is.
Shit. What's my word? Cook.
Okay, for good measure. Okay,
Cheers.
you must say your word.
For good luck.
Okay,
1,
last
2,
and
3. Cook.
Cut. Okay, let's try.
For the amount of time and the tenderness, I'm actually very happy with this.
Okay, it's great.
I'm very curious about the egg. It tastes like the flavor has gone in for 30 minutes lah.
Yeah, I guess you want to more 入
More
味, you need to leave it longer.
Yeah lah. I want to know your rating.
I mean, be very precise, 4.2.
It is not bad.
Not bad,
I expected less.
Yeah, it's good.
We need to say the taboo word one more
Say
time.
the word again. Okay.
Just one more time.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go, go,
cut.
go, 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 go. Drink responsibly. Thank you for
Thanks for
watching.
watching.
If you want me and Seth to do more episodes of cooking with wine or cooking with other forms of alcohol,
Any kind of alcohol. Doesn't have to be wine.
do let us know in the comments down below. So we're going to drink sake later.
Yeah.